Okay, just put this one on the rack. Taking our first look. Let's see what we got under here. The floors look amazing, original, tidy, and oh, look at that. That block looks like it was recently redone. Look at that, it's totally clean. Wouldn't surprise me. The car runs fantastic. Look at that. Looks like it just came out of the machine shop. It's got a new starter on it. Yeah, oil pan looks nice and tight. Not seeing any leakage. Oh, maybe a hair up there. But, you know, it's kind of common for anything this age. This is really nice under here. Looks great. Looks like we got a new brake line up here, going up here to the splitter. The shocks don't look new, but they don't look horridly used up because the bolt's still really clean on the end. So that looks great. It's just a very nice car under here. It's got a new exhaust on it, or a new muffler. So I think that looks great. Wow, impressive. A little tiny magnet with a little film on the back of it. I haven't washed the car yet. This is just the way it showed up, but I like to go around the lower part of the car so we can see if we got body filler or things like that. So let's do it. None there for sure. That's sticking nicely. Got a hole in this rocker panel for some reason. Cover. But wow, the paint is just so glassy on this car. They did a nice job painting it. The magnet's just grabbing it like crazy. Okay. Over to the, what's that guy on YouTube call it? The drinker side? No, that would be the other side. The driver's side. Wow, this is great. Just grabbing this thing like everywhere. I don't know if you can see like how glassy the paint is. That looks great. The quarter here, the lower quarter. And let's come around the back and just take a look, an up close look at the rear valance. And see that? Yeah, it looks like it sustained a little damage in the past down there. But, you know, at eye level, that won't show. I suspect we got some filler here. Yep. Not there. Yeah, there's some filler in this rear lower. Okay, let's take a look at the front. Oh yeah. You know, I already saw this from below, so I don't think I need to put the magnet on it. But, what the hell. This thing looks great. Very nice car.